How to repair a hole in a wall. DIY wall repair tutorial. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share all kinds of home improvement and DIY tips. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to repair a hole in your wall like a pro. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our awesome content. Alright, grab your toolbox and let's get started. To repair a hole in a wall, you'll need the following materials and tools. Utility knife. Drywall saw. Sandpaper, 120 grit. Drywall patch or piece of drywall. Drywall screws. Drywall tape, mesh or paper. Joint compound. 6-inch and 12-inch taping knives. Screwdriver or drill. Measuring tape. Pencil. Clean cloth or sponge. Estimated time for this project is around 2 hours, including drying time for the joint compound. Now, let's get to work. Step 1. Assess the damage and cut out the damaged area. First, let's assess the damage. If the hole is larger than a quarter but smaller than a basketball, this method will work perfectly. Now, using your utility knife, carefully cut away any loose or damaged drywall around the hole. Next, measure the hole and cut a square or rectangular piece of drywall that's slightly larger than the hole. Place the patch over the hole and trace around it with a pencil. Then, use your drywall saw to cut along the lines, removing the damaged drywall. Step 2. Attach the drywall patch. Now that we have our hole cut to the right size, it's time to attach the drywall patch. First, insert 2 drywall screws into the wall, about an inch away from the hole, leaving enough space for the patch to fit between them. These screws will act as temporary supports for the patch. Next, insert the patch into the hole and secure it with additional drywall screws, making sure they are slightly below the surface of the drywall. Remove the temporary support screws once the patch is secured. Step 3. Apply drywall tape and joint compound. Now, let's move on to applying the drywall tape and joint compound. Start by applying a thin layer of joint compound over the seams using your 6-inch taping knife. Next, place the drywall tape over the compound, covering the seams. Use your taping knife to smooth out the tape and remove any air bubbles. Then, apply another layer of joint compound over the tape, feathering the edges to blend it with the surrounding wall. Allow the compound to dry for about an hour or according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 4. Sand and finish. Once the joint compound is dry, it's time to sand and finish the repair. Using your 120 grit sandpaper, gently sand the dried joint compound until it's smooth and even with the rest of the wall. Be careful not to over-sand or damage the surrounding drywall. After sanding, wipe down the area with a clean cloth or sponge to remove any dust. And there you have it. Your hole is now repaired, and your wall is looking as good as new. Just apply a coat of primer, followed by the paint of your choice, and your wall will be completely restored. With a little practice, you'll become a pro at repairing holes in your walls. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful as well. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to tackle those home improvement projects yourself. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest DIY tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy DIYing! Subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.